their shop. That's very rude.
Listen to me. Look, listen.
Me not listen to you, because your blood clot wrong. Don't fucking do that again. I'm going to their shop and put it on face.
Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing fine. Now, I know you are wondering whatever is happening here, and you are so much curious to know whatever has caused this lady to act in this way. So let's watch this video together and come back and have a quick discussion about the same. Let's see whatever happened before this argument started, before things escalated and got out of control. Now, I know things were better, cool, but there is something that happened. So let's watch, come back and have a quick discussion about the same. Thank you so much.
Don't do that again. Don't do that.
Okay.
Don't say, okay, so sorry to my child. He accused him of thief their shop. That's very rude.
Listen to me. Look, listen.
Me not listen to you, because your blood clot wrong. Don't fucking do that again. I'm going to feed their shop and put it on Facebook and tell people on the blood clot out of order. You packy pussy wall. You don't need to go on social media. Fucking out of order. How dare you come and tell my pitney about him a thief, eh? And I style him as black thief, eh? You una blood clot thief, can you walk and fuck off on the whole nation. You walk and fuck. Touch me on your blood clot, see? Touch me on your see? Touch me on your blood clot, see, fatty boy. Touch me on your blood clot, see? I can mash up your place. Touch me on your pussy clot, see? On the pocket pussy wall. While I walk and disrespect people. Your face is nasty blood clot. I want to mash up your face. Ramp with me, you see? Touch me body boy. I walk and fuck with the nation. On the pussy wall.
Hello everyone. Now, I'm actually here not to take any side, not to say who was wrong and who was right. First, I want to acknowledge the support you've been giving to this channel before we start this commentation of the video. So I actually want to appreciate and say thank you so much, my Jamaican fans. Thank you so much, the fans and the subscribers from the United States. Thank you so much from the UK, and thank you so much from France. I really have received your love, support, and I do not want to take it for granted. Now, back to this video. Now, this is an Indian guy. Now, we all know that Jamaica is currently dominated by the black people, who are the locals. Now, the Chinese, who have been there for a while. Now, the Chinese predominated this place some years back, 200 years back from the history, and some Indians too. Then we have the Irish people. Now, those ones who are light-skinned. Now, all these people grouped together are called Jamaicans, and no one should come in and separate you and say, no, you are Chinese, you are Jamaican, and you are not, you come from India. No, all these people are under one peace umbrella called Jamaican citizens. Now, this is actually a video that got me surprised, because of course I've been seeing so many viral videos going around the internet, and some people are talking about calling these people names. They think they are foreigners. Now, to your knowledge, these are not foreigners. These people are actually Jamaicans. They've been in Jamaica. Something that maybe can be excluded and maybe be a point of talking or a point of discussion is when some other foreigners, like other Chinese people, Indians, come to this country and start to misbehave. That's where we people draw lines and say we classify them, we build stereotypes and call them all these Chinese, all these Indians are misbehaving. Now, back to this video. Now, this video actually got out of hand and started well and ended in a wrong way. Now, this Indian guy actually called this lady's son a thief. Now, actually, these are big names to be called, and much in human race, we do not want to be associated with the vices that or the crimes that are happening in our society, because these ones paint a bad picture of us, and no one actually wants to be associated with crime. Now, actually, we all know that there are those people who commit this crime in actual life, and however much they do that, they do not want you to call them these names. But I do not say the son committed that, but it is wrong to call someone a thief, a killer, or those big names if they have not done the actual thing, or if not found guilty by a court of law. Now, this is actually what happened, and this guy, the Indian guy, called this lady's son a thief, and that's where all this began. The lady's anger got out of control. No one could control her. She went ahead and ranted, shouted to this guy. Now, this guy was cool at the first time. He was cool and watched the lady as the emotions escalated and everything got out of hand. Now, later on, we see the guy angry and he's going to stop the lady from recording her, and things got so much out of hand and there was a fight. You just know, according to the YouTube guidelines, you can't film a fight, or you can't post a recorded fight because it violates the guidelines of the community. In some way, YouTube feels like you are promoting violence to the society or war. Now, just to get back to the discussion of all the discourse, all that happened in this video, I want to say that Jamaica is one. Let's build understanding. However much you come from a different race, but you live in Jamaica, you have gained the citizenship of that country. You are one, you belong to that country. Do not allow your skin color to put so much privilege on you, or because you are local of Jamaica, to have that citizenship, that local privilege that someone enjoys if you are a citizen of a given country. Now, I know I don't want to be so biased or take sides. I'm just here to say this. Now, local Jamaicans, the black Jamaicans, which are predominantly the biggest portion, the biggest part of the population of Jamaica, please understand the rest of those whites or the other races living in that country. I was going through your history and I came to learn that Jamaica, out of all these races, out of all these people, they are one. Now, Jamaica is dominated by different races, by different categories of people. Now, there are so many religions, there are so many different people, but they are all Jamaicans. If you classify them, you classify them as Jamaicans, not as people of different nationalities. Now, this guy might have done it wrong, might have called or accused the lady's son of being a thief, which is a bad name, as we know in our societies, and it is being associated with crime. Now, the thing that the guy should have done, should have apologized first and taken things into control. Maybe cool this lady in a good way, cool her down. We know how much Jamaicans can go when wronged, how much Jamaicans can get things too when emotions rise and they feel like, no, you are trying to dominate them in a way. Jamaicans can explode, that we know. Not all Jamaicans, but other Jamaicans can explode. And not only Jamaicans. We people, like human beings, are known to be people of emotions. And every time when someone accused you of something, or the people you love about something they haven't done, there is that anger that comes into you. Then we all know that how the body reacts, then the hormones and all that, and things might get out of hand. But in all of these things that are happening, let's remember one thing: we are one people of one. We came from one creator, with different beliefs, with different religions, with different races, but we are one. We have the same blood flowing through us. Let's not allow anyone to come along and divide us. Let's not allow our emotions to come around and destroy the peace that we have enjoyed. Now, we know Marcus Garvey tried to deliver Jamaica from captivity, and we have Bob Marley, who sang about one love, unity. Now, it is about high time we realize that we, the people, of different races in a given country are all recognized by this country. I know there is white supremacy, and maybe we have seen the Chinese want to behave like the West, and we have heard some Indians thinking they are also whites, they want to behave like the West, but they should also remember and try to respect the local Jamaicans, those black Jamaicans who have been in this country. And the local Jamaicans should also uphold to the same respect and give it back, reciprocate the respect back to these Indians, to these Irish people, to the foreigners who have gained the citizenship, and the Chinese who are actually the citizens of Jamaica too. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please, let's spread the love and not the hatred. We are one. Let's not be divided. Thank you so much for watching this video. I actually salute you for the support. Thank you so much.